Ole, 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 ole. Ole, ole.
Don't guess it, exactly.
Man, you go cry. I can't stop pressing Man U's neck. And they always give me more reasons. I'm joyous.
If you say Sanchez there for that one,
No, goofy Sanchez. Brentford Man U.
more that match.
3-1. Bruno, get mind. Destabilized penalty. He scattered penalty.
But you get the topic to go for one day based on that.
I want to end this conversation. What do you think?
You see that game? You get what I've been talking in the last episode. See, that Man U Chelsea, we Man U play us, we fumble.
Yeah.
If now Brentford catch us for that match, we go collect reach 4-0. We no go score one. Because to tell you how disgraceful Man U dey, e no good. And now why in the verse he say I lose that match? E no good. See wetin Brentford do then. See your captain, person wey you say you give handband trust for the dying moment.
Sorry.
Don dey lose penalty, and like say na the second penalty wey don miss this season. Season just dey start, we don dey three important penalty.
Yeah.
Now if I open my mouth talk say Bruno will not start in any top European teams, they go say I dey talk nonsense. Bruno now fit start for Bayern Munich.
No.
If he start for Madrid,
No.
if he start for PSG,
No.
for Barca, Bruno can start in any big European teams.
You know,
But e go be like saying na hate. Person go dey just dey spam. Okay, see that match now. As him do dey score with sense. Wetin make them change the game plan? I think say against Chelsea, they don find formulas to dey always make their strikers be the end product. They have someone that can fly. Like see that Sesko, that boy dey fly. That one no be John. That guy dey fly. Why they know they make use of him abilities to the highest to make sure say most of the goals na him dey always come as the end point. I don't know if you get me.
No, I get what you.
Instead of make they play with their double tens, no be say their double tens Mbeumo and Ahmad no good. You get.
But they're no good now.
Given say they score, Mbeumo score 20 goals last. At least you say you know say at least he's there. He's a good player.
I don't want to transfer aggression.
No. Leave hate. I hate Man U, but you go get when you see quality. You know those one just kill out.
This Mbeumo we will watch. What did Mbeumo do against Brentford?
They wrong, man.
He supposed Ginger say na informer team. It is bad head. He was playing rubbish. I will say this guy did this show. Where's Sancho?
He was saying there na me and for type.
I won't hold am for neck today.
We say follow collect, but na him own topic na him be the main focus for ground.
Brentford now, very tactical. Like that long throwing way that they always do. I feel like every time they do it against Man U, it always work. Somehow, Man U is under pressure. Then that first goal, Maguire now, cause you feel first the reason say, is this guy mad? Or is he suffering from dementia?
Cause brain trauma.
How that ball dey onside? There's no reason that guy should be onside. So I really do not understand. Like, as Amorim infected Man U to the extent where we say every player they doubt their ability.
No, me I feel say players don't dey bad even before him come. Man U
see delete. Person say Inde is a sweeper. I don't know if na market he dey sweep. He was shaking like a drunk.
He be loma, he dey sleep.
The guy body dey shake. The only person wey dey Man U wey I go say try that day was probably Shaw, because he has always been this stable person. Dogu, down they always run around like down they always run around anyhow.
For 2020.
Kunya wey I think say get sense. That one no even know where in the whole ball. Who be this my people wey dey talk for the background now? Man U go cry, they will keep crying.
Great. You don't forget say our brother don say they discuss system. The front line. He never even talk say in full team.
Where
Sanchez
dey? Where Sanchez?
I don't know how brilliant it is say their coach dey attacking the way he talk say in front line. Kunya Mbeumo Sesko go produce am 60 goals for you. 60 goals.
But now, 8 aside, do you think Brentford deserve that one?
They deserve the win. 3-1. 3-1. Do you need anything convincing more than 3-1?
So what do you think went wrong for Man U?
What thing go wrong for Man U match that someone is dementia?
Who be the shot?
dementia more than the now.